Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain numericals which are related to riverboat concept. Before we go to numericals, let me quickly revise you the formulas which you have got. When boat is rowed in downstream, you have written that VBG is equal to velocity of river with respect to ground and VBR. So this is based on parallelogram. So this is in downstream. Now, if it is in upstream, VBG is equal to VRG minus VBR. So this is an upstream. Upstream is slightly against the direction of river. So theta is 180 here. Here theta is 0. This is okay. Based on this, you can find out time interval to cross the river upstream, downstream. Then you have also got the expression that shift or drift. Shift, you can say drift. So x is equal to minus VBR sin theta plus VRG into d by VBR cos theta. So you had two equations here. They say case one. Suppose if the boat person who is in the boat want to get a zero drift, so x is equal to 0. With what angle he must row his boat means you will get a minus VBR sin theta is equal to just VRG, because this part will get cancelled. So this is also minus cancel. Sin theta is equal to VRG by VBR. So based on this equation you got. If the person who is in the boat want to get a drift, it means he has to start with the 0 angle. Suppose if you put the 0, that boat will get some drift. X is equal to, you will get d by, if theta is taken 0, sin will become sin 0 0. So you will get d by VBR, because cos 0 is 1, along with you will get VRG. So this is one more formula. Then next, suppose if boat reaches the other bank of the river in shortest distance, so you got that VBG is equal to root over VBR square minus VRG square. So here also you can find out the time, d by root over VBR square minus VRG square. So based on this also you can expect numerical. So these are all the formulas we discussed in the previous video. Suppose if this is boat reaches other bank in shortest distance. Next, if boat reaches the other bank in shortest time, d by, you will get here VBR square plus VRG square. So this is when boat is rowed, to cross the river, in shortest time. So these are the formulas we discussed in the previous video. Now let us move to the questions. The first question is, a person can swim in still water at 5 meters per second. He moves in a river with velocity 3 meters per second. First down the stream, next the same distance up the stream. The ratio of time taken R. So down the stream means theta will be 0. T is equal to D by down the stream means you will get VBR plus VRG. Now D by VBR is 3 and VRG is 5 meters per second. You call this equation 1. So say this is time interval T1. This is in downstream. Now up the stream. So T2 is equal to D by VRG minus it will be VBR. So this will be D by VRG is 5, VBR is 3. So this will be D by 2. So you call this equation 2. So this will be D by 8. Now you take the ratio. Downstream T1, upstream T2. So it will be D by 8. This will be D by 2. So DD cancel. This will be 4 times. You will get the answer as 1 by 4. So third option is correct. Let us move to the other question. The next question is, a man can swim in still water at a speed of 6 kmph and he has to cross the river and reach just opposite point on the other bank. The river is flowing at a speed of 3 kmph and width of the river is 2 kilometers. So what you need to find out is the time taken to cross the river is. So use this formula directly, you will get the answer. So T is equal to D by root over VBR square minus VRG square. So in the question, what is D given is? D given 2 kilometers. Then VBR square. So VBR is 6, it will be 36 minus VRG. VRG is 3, 3 square will be 9. So you will get the answer 36 minus 9. So it will be 27 root. So in, okay, this is in hours because speeds are given in kmph and distance is given in kilometers. So therefore you will get hours. We'll move to the other question. Let us move to the next question. The velocity of water in a river is 2 kmph while width is 400 meters. A boat is rowed from a point rowing always aiming opposite point at 8 kmph of still water velocity. On reaching the opposite bank, so what you need to find out, the drift obtained is. So here theta is 0. So in the basic equation, if theta is put 0, you will get a drift or shift is VRG by VBR into D. So what is D means? Width of the river. So what is VRG is? VRG is 8 kmph. Boat is rowed from a point rowing always aiming opposite. So therefore velocity of the boat is 8 and VRG is 2. So this is 8 and width of the river is 400. So this will be 800. Otherwise you can cancel 4 times. This is 100 times. So drift is expected to get 100 meters. So fourth option is correct. Let us move to the other question. A person swims at 135 to current of river to meet target on reaching opposite point. What you need to find out is the ratio of person's velocity to river velocity is. So just now we discussed that to reach the exactly opposite point, x will be 0. So in that case, you will get sine theta is equal to, you got that VRG by VBR. So ratio of person's velocity to river velocity. So this may be person's velocity with respect to river, or boat velocity with respect to river. This is river velocity. So let us use that sine 135. Sine 135 can be written as 90 plus 45. This is VRG by VBR. So sine 90 cos 45 plus cos 90 sine 45. So therefore, the second part of this does not exist. So therefore, so cos 45 is equal to VRG by VBR. Now this is going to be 1 by root 2. So but the present question is person's velocity to river velocity. So you have to make numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So this is the question, VBR by VRG. So it will be root 2 by 1. So root 2 is to 1. So second option is correct. Thank you very much, students, for watching my video. In my next video, I will proceed with another important concept for JEE and NEET. So that is rain and umbrella concept. So followed by, we'll continue with the rain and umbrella questions. But don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.